Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming where the visible text cursor originates, system level or app specific. Open accessibility or keyboard settings now and search for cursor or caret options. Once done, make a quick backup of current settings or create a restore point. This protects you if you need to revert. You'll want to note size, blink rate, and color values so you can compare after changes and ensure you're modifying the right control instead of an unrelated UI element. Next, disable the caret by adjusting blink rate or setting it to 0. This stops the flashing focus indicator immediately. If blink controls are unavailable, reduce caret size and change color to transparent so it becomes invisible without breaking input. Once done, check app-specific settings. Editors, browsers, and word processors often provide independent options. If necessary, apply a small CSS rule or extension to force caret display. None in web-based editors. This ensures finish by restarting the app or system to make sure changes take effect everywhere. Then test typing in multiple programs. If you need the caret back briefly for navigation, restore your saved settings. If the cursor remains visible, inspect input method editors, overwrite mode indicators, or GPU-accelerated rendering that can force a caret. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle hardware acceleration off and relaunch the app. This often resolves stubborn rendering issues that prevent the caret from being hidden.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.